that will not be helpful. Even if somebody has covered 80% syllabus, 75% syllabus, but whatever content, whatever syllabus he has covered, and if he has revised it 4 times, 5 times, 10 times for each subject, theory of machine में, fluid mechanics में, production में, you have 100 pages, 200 pages का detailed notes. We have so much theory, so much derivations, and now it seems impossible for me. Till the time you are doing preparation, whether for the GATE examination or even you're during MTech days, if you find some difficulty, you can again go back to these detailed notes. Hello, bachcho. I hope you are all doing your preparation in full swing, because hardly few months are remaining for the GATE examination. And again, I'm repeating the same thing. Also, I have said these words in multiple live classes, in multiple YouTube sessions, that revision is very, very, very important thing. Doesn't matter if you have completed 100% syllabus, but you couldn't revise, that will not be helpful. Even if somebody has covered 80% syllabus, 75% syllabus, but whatever content, whatever syllabus he has covered, and if he has revised it 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, he has more potential to score much marks, good ranks, than the other person who has completed 100% syllabus without revising it. Now the question arises, ki, sir, how I can complete my multiple times revision in the very less remaining time, because only hardly 2 months are remaining, and in these 2 months you have whatever syllabus you have covered detailed may you have some notes with you for each subject, theory of machine में, fluid mechanics में, production में, you have 100 pages, 200 pages का detailed notes. We have so much theory, so much derivations, and now it seems impossible for me to revise this much content. And you are saying, sir, time is remaining very, very less. You have to revise things, you have to practice PYQs multiple times, you have to solve multiple test series. How is it possible in less time? So now I'm going to tell you in this very short session what is the importance of making short notes. Detailed notes are with you in every phase of your student life. Till the time you are doing preparation, whether for the GATE examination or even you're during MTech days, if you find some difficulty, you can again go back to these detailed notes. If somebody thinks now I'll prepare for IES, for civil services, these detailed notes are going to be helpful always. Always. But for very less remaining time, how you are going to perform the revision? For that, short notes are must. Short notes are unavoidable thing. You cannot skip this. You cannot avoid this. Now the question is that how do we make short notes? Short notes में what things I have to write? How do we prepare best short notes? And once I have made these short notes, how we are going to utilize them in perfect manner so that we can, get best outcome out of it. I will discuss in this very short video. First of all, no need to tell that short notes are very, very important. Why they are important? Because if you think of GATE examination, if I put in simple 2 words, I can say GATE examination is a combination of speed as well as accuracy. And unlike your bank examination, CAT examination, where we have more focus on the speed, we have very simple questions, so we have to remember so many tricks so that quickly we can solve it. Unlike those examination, GATE may we have more time, sufficient time. GATE may you have to, more precisely if I say, you have to focus more on accuracy, and then we have speed. Accuracy is more important than speed. So GATE is a combination of accuracy as well as speed. Why I am saying accuracy? Because I have prepared some part of the syllabus, and examination mein I will try to solve that only. One subject which I have not studied, I will skip the question simply. It was for 2 marks, I'll skip this. I will not waste my time. I will not get any negative mark because I have not attempted that. But something which I have studied, and if I wrongly solve this, and I end up getting option A, I have wasted my time. I have, instead of scoring 0 marks, I have also scored negative marks. That is very bad thing. So accuracy pe you have to be focused, and at the same time you also have to manage each and every question in the given time frame. Speed is also going to matter a lot. You cannot afford कि sir I could have solved these 3 more questions but time was over. ठीक है, तो गेट में accuracy as well as speed are going to matter a lot. And if you look at the previous questions of the gate, you will realize that not every question is very difficult. There are some questions which are easy, some questions which are moderate difficulty level, and these questions can be simply solved by using standard formulas. You have some formulas, put down the values carefully without doing any mistake in the formula, without doing any mistake while converting the units. Silly mistakes if you can avoid, so 50-60% questions we can very easily solve based on the formulas. Direct questions they are, you can very easily solve them. The question is कि sir examination में sometimes we don't even recall the formulas. I try hard but I cannot recall the formula. Why? Sir, you lack of revision, है ना? And the short notes is going to be the fastest method to revise things. I'm not saying this is the fast method. This is the fastest method to revise things quickly and precisely without losing any premium content, without losing any crucial part of the content. Okay? And if you have made your short notes and if you have utilized these short notes in an effective manner, so you will avoid forgetting concepts, forgetting formulas, doing silly mistakes. So this short notes are going to be very helpful for you in this examination, GATE examination mein, and for different examination you will, that exam ke point of view se you will make another short notes. So these short notes are very exam specific. For GATE I am talking. So for GATE ke point of view se whatever important formulas, important concepts are there, I will put those things in my short notes. IES prelims ke bare mein when we will talk, so I'll put some something different in my short notes. So each exam ka demand is different, and these short notes are highly personalized things. You simply avoid asking to your friends, to your teachers, ki sir, can you give me your short notes? My short notes were for me, for my revision. Your short notes will be especially made for you, and that will be helpful to you only. Why I am saying this, you will realize very soon. First of all, short notes mein what content I should put. Random everything you don't have to put. What many people do, they think that short notes ka matlab writing things in lesser pages. No, I am saying to reduce the content. Reduce the content which you are going to revise. Then only you will be able to reduce the time. Okay? So what things we have to put in our short notes? Only high weightage formulas, only high weightage portions I have to put. How do we decide what are the high weightage things? Sir, you have taught everything in the class. Something which is very important, frequently asked, something which is not frequently asked, something which is not even asked in GATE examination, which is important for IES examination. So we have made detailed notes, but now we are talking about GATE examination. So you have to put only GATE relevant things, only those formulas which are frequently asked, है ना? Only high weightage formulas, only high weightage content you have to put it here. How do we decide that this is high weightage, this is not high weightage? You have once studied the subject, you have once solved the PYQs, so you have realized that looking at the PYQs, I can say कि gears में we have studied so many things, but gears में what they ask generally, now you have realized this thing. And whatever we have covered in the crash courses, you can also take help of those crash courses. Crash courses mein we have focused only on the important things. So based on your intelligence, your experiences, you are now able to make conclusion that what is important, what is not important. So only put high weightage formulas, only some very important key derivations, and not entire derivation. That derivation ka only few steps. If that derivation and its steps are important, you can write only very important derivations and its one or two max to max steps. Okay, in short manner, some important diagrams, because there are some diagrams which are going to play very important role, especially in theory of machine. Whenever I have taught, I have said, don't remember this formula, don't remember that formula. Gears may just remember the diagram, and from the diagram I will get the formula. So you must be able to quickly recall the diagrams. Clear hai? So you can also place those diagrams neat and clear, and some crucial units, some boundary conditions, that this is the formula and this formula is applicable in this condition, in this condition, in this condition. If condition is changed, formula is changed. बात समझ आ रही है? So you have to write the formulas, boundary conditions. Clear hai? Some traps I have many times discussed, that examination may, if you'll do this mistake, it will be wrong. If you'll do this mistake, it will be wrong. Sometimes they can give zeta ka value in this format of language also. So these traps which you think they are important, they are asked in exams, you can also mention in shorthand, है ना, in hints के form में you can write those. And once you have prepared your first draft of the short notes, slowly it will get updated also. You will solve some PYQs, whatever short notes you have made, and do try to maintain this, that if we have theory of machine which was 150 pages long detailed notes, so its short notes should not contain more than 10 pages. Each chapter in 1 page or max to max 2 pages I have to summarize. Okay? And once you have made your short notes neat and clear, first draft neat and clear, then you are solving PYQs, then you are solving some mock test. So whatever new learnings you are getting from the PYQs, mock test, hint ke form mein, if you find that it is important, whatever mistakes you have done, so you can also mention those things ki while using this formula I did this mistake, next time I have to avoid this. So this is how you can make your short notes, and slowly you can add on some mistakes, some traps, some tricks which you are later on realizing while solving PYQs, while solving mock tests. You can improve your short notes in day-to-day situations. Clear hai? And that's why I am saying, once you have made short notes, first draft might look neat and clear. Second draft, third draft means in these same pages I'm highlighting some things, I'm putting some more, formulas here. So first time it may look very beautiful, neat and clear, but when I add something, it becomes meshy. But this meshy is good for me. This meshy short notes will be useless for any other buddy. That's why I'm saying, don't ask short notes from your teachers, from your friends. Short notes are highly personalized things. ठीक है? अच्छा, what we should write in the short notes is important, and equally important is what things I should avoid writing in short notes. What content I should not write in my short notes. Any long theory we have to avoid. Avoid writing full derivations. That is not important, because we are going to solve GATE examination, objective questions. They are going to ask. They are not going to ask derivations. That is not important. While IES mains, civil services mains, then derivations are important. Revision of derivations is going to be very important. They can ask 20 marks में derive this thing, derive minimum number of teeth का formula. GATE में only formula is important, formula का application is important. ठीक है? Any textbook explanation, whatever, something you stuck while solving some question, you stuck somewhere, and its explanation from Google you have find out, from some book you have find out, and you have written the entire paragraph over there. Short notes mein you don't have to write. You can put that explanation in your detailed notes, but short notes may only crisp things. any unsolved question. Sir, I was solving a mock test where this question was very beautiful, so I have put that question in my short note. No, it is not required. You can make some different sheets, some different uh, in your detailed notes. You can put this question. If this question is very good, while having detailed revision, I will solve this question. But short notes is only for revision, not for practice. And any extra information which is irrelevant for the gate examination, you should definitely avoid. So avoid long theories, full derivations, any long explanation of any doubt, unsolved questions. It is not question bank you are preparing. You are preparing short notes for revision purpose. So what we should write, what we should definitely not write, this is how you can prepare your short notes. And once you have prepared your short notes, now it is the time to best utilize it. How do we best utilize this? Once your short notes are made, very frequent basis you have to revise them. And while revising, what do you have to do? Simply don't read them. While revising, 10-20 minutes you will revise. Suppose I am talking subject wise or chapter wise. Sir, I will revise gears and gear train. I will revise vibration today. So only 1 page में 2 page में max to max I have written vibration की all the formulas. So 10 minutes में I will simply go through all the formulas, whatever is written, whatever the concepts I have written, and then close that book. Now try to recall whatever you have studied. That's how you make your long-term memory. Whatever you have studied, try to recall that. Close your eyes, try to recall. Yes, there was one formula, there was another formula, this formula was this. And while recalling, you can also practice it by writing in some blank page. Minimum number of teeth ka formula was this, center distance ka formula was this, module ka formula was this. So you can write whatever you have studied. This is how things will permanently settle in your mind. Revise it, recall all the formulas, and slowly while recalling, you will also realize that this particular formula I always forget. So mention that formula as your weak portion, weak formula. In short notes, highlight that. This is something which I always forget. So next time when I'll do my second revision, third revision, fourth revision, I will not even read this entire page. Everything I have already in my mind. I will more focus on that highlighted part, because every time I forget this. How do we decide that this is my weak formula? Any formula which I'm not able to recall, or even if I'm recalling this, it takes me more time. Sir, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, I was focusing, arey yaar, kya tha formula, what was the formula? Suddenly it comes to my mind. So even if it is taking much time, you will highlight that as weak formula. You will have to, give more time to remember, to memorize that formula. And daily, once you have, revised the short notes, recalled this, and wherever you are having mistakes, revised, recalled, and now you are solving some questions, solving some problems, you got something new. I also have to add this thing. So you will again update your short notes. So daily 10 minutes, 20 minutes mein, chapter wise if you are talking, so 10 minutes mein you do revision, recall it, and when you have applied this revised knowledge while solving PYQs, while solving mock tests, test series, whatever you identified, some new concept, update those short notes. This is how your short notes will be frequently, they will get revised and updated. And this is how you build your long-term memory also. So on daily basis, you have to do this thing and make sure whatever subject today I have revised. Suppose today I have revised production technology. So within 1 week, I again have to revise the production technology. Monday ko production technology I have studied. So next Monday again I have to revise the production technology ke short notes. Tuesday I have studied theory of machine. So before next Tuesday I have to again revise this. I don't have to give more gap. Revisions, and that too frequent revisions, are very important. Weekly, whenever we are revising it, full subject को try to recall. Revise entire short notes. I have just studied. I just have revised, and now try to recall. Okay, the very first chapter में degree of freedom के formulas were there. Then what is the degree of freedom का formula? This was the formula. Transmission angle का formula was this. Transmission angle in first in this situation transmission angle का diagram was this. Another situation में diagram was this. Gears में we were having this formula. Gear का let me draw the diagram. So this is how try to remember entire subject. ठीक है? And if some formula you cannot recall, or you are recalling it but taking much time, so keep highlighting those formulas where you have to focus more while doing next revision. And whatever formulas till now you have identified as weak formulas, also put them in a formula sheet. Short notes are different. You have long detailed notes, keep them aside. You have studied thoroughly throughout the year, for 1 year, for 2 years, it will be with you. But while revision, short notes are going to be quick method. And short notes maybe you have identified that this formula, I am forgetting frequently. So make a formula sheet, and that formula sheet for each subject, suppose every subject I am assuming 10 chapters we are having, and 10 chapters mein, each chapter mein there are only 2 formulas, 3 formulas which are very, very long formulas, which I generally forget. So each chapter max to max 2-3 formulas, 10 chapters of the subject, 20-30 formulas, and I have 10 subjects, so not more than 200 formulas, 300 formulas, max to max 200-300 formulas you have to put in a formula sheet. That formula sheet is going to be helpful in your final revision. The day before examination, it is going to be very, very crucial, very, very helpful. And that sheet you will also bring till your examination hall. Outside the examination hall, you are standing and just having a quick look at those formula sheets. Okay? And this is how you can retain, most of the things, whatever we have studied. And during mock test, when you are doing the mock test, so before doing any mock test, revise the short notes. Sir, subject wise test I am applying, so theory of machine ka test I am applying. So before writing the test, I just have quickly revised the theory of machine subject from my short notes. What it will help, how it will help, it will freshen up all the concepts, all the formulas in your head. Now in my head I have everything, just 10 minutes ago I have revised. Now while solving the mock test, I don't have, my brain don't have to put efforts while recalling, because 10 minutes ago I just have revised. Now my brain is going to actually work on the crucial part of the questions, tricks of the questions, how examiner is trying to play with me. I will focus on that. Your brain should work on that portion only, not your brain should not struggle while recalling the formulas. So this is how you will gain confidence. Okay, theory of machine ka test I have given today and I have solved most of the questions. Even tough question I could solve. Why? Because my brain was not struggling to recall the formula. Sir, brain ko you can assume as a human being. If that human being is going to the gym and gym is 10 kilometers away, and 10 kilometers you are running and then reaching the gym, you are struggling to reach out the gym, what exercise you will do inside the gym? So brain ko while recalling the formulas, while remembering these formulas, brain ko should not do any struggle. बात समझ में आ रही है? And once you have, before doing any mock test, you have revised your short notes, then you have attempted the paper, you will actually do better. You will actually perform better in the examination. It will give you confidence also. And then after giving every test, analyze the test, whatever mistakes you have done, whatever formulas you couldn't recall, add all those mistakes, all those tricks, all those traps in your short notes. Okay? Short notes evolve every time you revise them, every time you apply those knowledge. Short notes evolve every time, and first draft might look Beautiful. Second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, seventh time, your short notes will a little become meshy, but you will enjoy that. And this, meshy short notes, highly personalized for you only, it is going to be very, very helpful for any examination. And last 30 days may, imagine somewhere 10, 15th February, your examination is there. So 10 January onwards, last 30 days may, you are not going to see your long books, your detailed notes. No, you will totally depend on the short notes, and make sure 5 revision at least you have done. Whatever short notes you have made, meshy, dirty short notes, dirty looking short notes, at least 5, 7 times you have to revise this. Whatever is written, that should be immediately in your tongue. Your brain should not struggle while recalling the formulas. So at least 5 full short note cycle. Full short note cycle का मतलब है at least 5 times you have to revise. Last 30 days में every subject, whatever you have studied, every subject you have to revise. Till now you have 300, 400 formulas का formula sheet also with you, and this formula sheet should be in your mobile also. Take a picture of that. Your mobile also has that formula sheet. I'm just traveling somewhere, I have opened my mobile, I am revising those formulas also. That formula sheet is in my study table. I have pasted this. It is in front of my dining table also. Whenever I'm eating, I'm just seeing those formulas, because these are the formulas which I quickly forget, which I generally make mistake while recalling it. ठीक है ना? And last 30 days में you will be multiple times revising it. Formulas पे you will be majorly focusing. And any traps, sir, this formula is simple, but language में I got stuck, I made mistake. So all these things you have, whatever you have written in your short notes, these traps, these tricks, you have to focus on those, because simple things I can easily solve. Only tricks, traps where I have earlier made mistakes, I have chances that I may repeat them. So you have to focus on those, identify, and make sure that examination may you are not repeating these things. And last 30 days may, these short notes only are going to be your source of information, nothing else, nothing else. ठीक है? Final revision, there are simple rule which you have to follow, blindly you have to follow, no if and but. If you cannot recall a formula within 3 seconds, 5 seconds, that means it is your weak formula. You must place that formula in your formula sheet, weak formula sheet. Revise short notes, gate examination say one night ago. I will not recommend that gate examination is in the morning or afternoon session and late night you are just revising it. No, gate say just one night before, you have to be ultimate chill, ultimate peaceful. But gate examination से पहले 24 hours ago, whatever is the last revision, just have a thorough, है ना, surface level पे just go through your short notes, go through your formula sheets, and don't forget to follow this thing. Simply don't read, recall, and apply cycle during this entire journey. Whatever 2 months are remaining, you have prepared your short notes. Read those short notes before solving any questions. Read those short notes and then close your eyes. Try to recall whatever you have studied. Write somewhere, sir, this was the formula, this was the diagram. If you can 100% recall it, good. And not just only recall, try to apply this. Immediately after studying theory of machine, solve PYQs, solve test series. You also must know, sir, formula I know, but am I able to apply this formula in actual question or not? So read, recall, and apply cycle. This cycle is going to be very, very helpful. And believe me, if you have followed whatever I have said here, these short notes, these methods, read, recall, and apply wala method, these mantras are going to be helpful a lot. If you are scoring 50 marks, you will end up scoring 70 marks. 20-30 marks extra you can add up in your journey. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Don't, I repeat, don't avoid, don't, ignore these short notes. Don't ignore these short notes. These are very, 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 very important thing, beta. Thank you very much.